In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. Managing your financial accounts effectively is essential for keeping your QuickBooks Online workspace organized and accurate. Sometimes, you might need to clean up your chart of accounts by deactivating accounts you no longer use, like old or inactive credit card accounts. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you know exactly how to make a credit card account inactive without affecting your existing records or reports. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the left-hand panel. This is your main navigation bar, where you'll find all the tools you need. From here, click on the Accounting option. This will open your accounting workspace, where you can manage your financial accounts. Next, select the Chart of Accounts tab. This is the section that lists all your accounts, including credit cards, bank accounts, and other financial categories. Now, locate the specific credit card account you'd like to deactivate. You can do this by scrolling through your list of accounts or by using the search bar at the top. Simply type in the name or type of the account, and QuickBooks will help you find it quickly. Once you've found the account, look to the far right of the accounts row. You'll notice a small caret icon, which looks like a tiny arrow. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu of actions. From the menu that appears, select Make Inactive. This action will prepare the account for deactivation. At this point, QuickBooks will show you a prompt to confirm your decision. Carefully review the information on this screen to ensure you're deactivating the correct account. Verify the account name, and when you're ready, click the Confirm button to finalize the process. After confirming, the credit card account should no longer appear in your active lists. To double-check, go back to your chart of accounts and make sure the account is no longer visible under active accounts. It's important to note that any existing transactions linked to this account will remain intact, and your reports will not be affected by making the account inactive. QuickBooks is designed to preserve your financial data, even if the account itself is no longer active. If QuickBooks prevents you from deactivating the account, don't worry. This typically happens if the account is referenced in recurring transactions or set as a default account for any processes. You'll need to update or remove these references before you can make the account inactive. Finally, remember that making an account inactive does not permanently delete it. If you ever need to reactivate the account, you can do so easily by accessing your inactive accounts and restoring it. And that's it. You now know how to safely deactivate a credit card account in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.